remember getting these as a child and I absolutely loved it. I love ordering these and gifting these to the teachers. I love gifting these to the librarian and making reading fun for children. These are food themed, so here's a chocolate one that says, "We'll read for chocolate." They are nice and sturdy and they smell absolutely yummy. And so there's all different food ones. Reading is a piece of cake. Let's talk about it. I'm a taco girl, and so I find that one really fun. What I like about it is there are different scents and there are several of each one. These are fun to give away as gifts for hitting different reading levels. These are fun just as a way to bookmark their place, and they're going to want to come back to it and keep reading so they can use it over and over again. My kids love the Scented Bookmarks, I think, just as much as I do. These are super fun. Even as an adult, I still enjoy getting to scratch and sniff one of the bookmarks. So I hope you found the review helpful.